It's Sunday, August 3rd, 2014, and I'm Jim Sullivan with your NeoWeather.com video forecast, taking a look at what's going on as of 11 in the morning. Not surprisingly, it's raining a little more than we thought it would. That has been the general trend this summer, more rain than expected. On the east side, temperatures are generally still in the mid to upper 60s with some showers. Farther west, temperatures rising into the low to mid 70s with plentiful sunshine. Luckily, this rain is gradually shifting off to the south and east and weakening. However, our southeastern counties will have to deal with it into the afternoon. Taking a look across the entire country now, there isn't a ton going on. There's still a cold front draped off the east coast, focusing some showers and storms across parts of the Carolinas and Florida. There's another cold front moving into the upper plains right now with a few showers and storms that will work its way towards Ohio for Tuesday. The desert southwest still seeing some rain from the monsoon, and some of those rains are producing some flooding. And as we look towards the Bahamas, tropical storm Bertha affecting the Turks and Caicos today. Nothing too extreme happening. Winds right there at 9 miles an hour. That's it. Just some heavy rain and breezes there for the Turks and Caicos of the Bahamas. And Bertha is going to go between the Carolinas and Bermuda, it looks like, over the next few days. It may produce a few swells on the East Coast. That's about it. Coming back to Cleveland, looking at the numbers, yesterday we did 77 and 62. That was a bit below average. Saw almost a quarter-inch rain at Hopkins yesterday. Some areas saw a whole lot more once again, and there was a little bit of flooding here and there. Averages for today are 82, 64. Records are 97 and 48. We're going to set the sun at 8:42 tonight. And looking at your forecast for today now, the rain that's been occurring on the east side is going to gradually diminish as we head into the afternoon, and more areas are going to see some sunshine. Temperatures getting into the mid to upper 70s on the east side, near 80 on the west side tonight. Just a few clouds. It'll be cool and refreshing once again. Lows in the upper 50s. Alright, so taking a look ahead now on one of our forecast computer models. As we head into the afternoon, the rain should gradually pull off to the south and east. It might take a few hours, but I think most of us will be dry by some point in the mid-afternoon. As we head into tonight, the models are trying to develop a couple of isolated storms to our northwest and perhaps track what's left of them into parts of northeastern Ohio tonight. It's not completely impossible because it is an unsettled weather pattern. You really can get showers or storms from any little thing that just sparks them off in a pattern like this. However, I'm not too optimistic. I'm going for a dry forecast tonight. Either way, any showers that do occur tonight will be very passing, very brief, not very widespread. Monday looks like a dry day once again. The model's trying to flare up some drizzle. That is not really realistic. We're not going to get drizzle on a sunny, warm, hazy day like Monday. Now, there are some storms developing to our northwest by Monday evening, which makes sense. A cold front is going to be moving in from the northwest on Tuesday, so we will eventually bring a few storms back into the forecast by Tuesday. All right, taking a look ahead now on one of our big picture forecast charts. As we head into the beginning of the work week, you can see a little bit of warmer air trying to move in. However, that's quickly replaced by this slightly cooler air moving in from the northwest. That's a cold front that's going to move through Tuesday with a few showers and storms. And then we're going to stay below average really through the end of the work week. We're going to have this upper level low pressure system over Quebec, and we're going to be in a northwesterly flow on the back side of that. So that's going to keep us a little bit cooler than normal for this time of year to end the work week, really Wednesday through Thursday. Friday will be a little iffier. Friday it'll start warming up a little bit. Now, it had previously been thought that a warm front with storm chances may try to come our way late in the work week and into next weekend. However, right now I'm leaning against that idea because we're still going to have this upper level low to our northeast, and a lot of times on the backside of these upper level low pressure systems you have high pressure at the surface. So this would put high pressure across the Great Lakes into parts of upstate New York late in the work week, which would keep any warm fronts to our south, and it would keep us dry. That's not to say we won't gradually warm up as we head into next weekend. This low pressure system over here will eventually pull away. However, really it looks like it should be dry through at least Saturday. Now, here we are Saturday evening. The heat is gradually building in, so we will see rain again eventually. Eventually, a cold front or disturbance will come around this area of high pressure over the western United States and bring us showers, although it doesn't look like that'll happen through at least next Saturday. So here's what that all looks like on your 7-day forecast now. Monday, another nice day, partly cloudy, temperatures getting into the lower 80s. A little warmer Monday night ahead of that incoming front. There's going to be a few more clouds and the winds will stay up, so it won't get quite as cool Monday night as it will tonight. Tuesday, scattered storms with that cold front. Those storm chances linger into Tuesday evening. Wednesday, maybe a leftover shower with temperatures held back into the 70s, lows getting into the 50s again Wednesday and Thursday nights. Still unusual for early August to get all these lows in the 50s, although nothing record-breaking is expected. Thursday, Friday, Saturday looks like a very nice stretch of weather, mostly sunny, gradually warming temperatures, and not too much humidity. All right, again, I'm Jim Sullivan. Thanks for watching. Check us out again tomorrow.